plastic products. Can it be applied to the rotary hinge structure of hardware? To answer the questions of our fans, I specially used 3D printing outside to improve our phone holder. This magnetic suction cup is printed with 3D, and these two arms are also printed in 3D. The material used is resin. Its strength is close to that of plastic. Today we are to verify a plastic structure. Can it be applied to this hardware shaft? Next, we'll take a look at the hinge parts used for assembling the phone mount. Let's check parts for phone mount. The accessories are the same. It's just this one more single-sided friction hook to protect this plastic arm. Then this is spring washers, flat washers, nuts, T-shafts. Let's start assembling. These two are T-shaped shafts and fix them on the magnetic plate. This is our assembly sequence. Stay tuned to see how this phone mount is assembled. While assembling the phone mount, we start from the bottom, installing the T-shaped shaft. Mount the T-shaft onto the fixing bracket. We also need a flat oil gathering washer. For our arms, we can't just let the plastic rub against it. So I add a friction hook washer. It's very clear to see. After adding the friction hook washer, I'll put it back into our arm. This side also needs to participate in friction, so we also need a friction hook washer here. After installing it, next I continue to install our flat oil absorbing washer. Then install our spring washer. To verify the structure, I will only install one spring washer this time. And then the arm installing is finished. But when I see the arm, there is this friction hook washer on both sides. It is moving following next to it. In the same order, the same method is used here and here to finish installation. This structure is installed. When I am turning, it's our friction hook washer rotating. Follow the moving arm. Then friction hook washer and flat oil gathering washer is occurred to friction. We can see that when it rotates, it's this friction hook washer. Rub against our flat oil gathering washer. Because we can't verify it now. How much torque did I adjust to? When this resin can't withstand, it generates deformation. There may even be ruptures. Right? Because when your torque is big enough, the resin and plastic strength is not enough. Then deformation occurs. The torque value of this bracket can be adjusted to about 3 kilograms. This is acceptable. It depends on the strength of your plastic itself. For example, this plastic arm, it has an outer diameter of 10 millimeters, at least 3.5 millimeters thick in the supported position, so it can ensure the strength. I don't know if my video has answered the questions raised by our fans. That plastic can be mixed with metal and form an authentic hinge structure. Its lifespan can also reach tens of thousands of times. What changes will happen to the phone holder after torture testing? Let's continue to see. Just now I have adjusted the strength to a similar level. Then I got a magnet on it. Let's test it. After this phone is sucked up, it feels very comfortable to adjust. One-handed operation. You can adjust it however you want. It won't fall off either. We also used this phone holder last time to simulate for you. After a violent spin, it will have powder. Let's shake. Will there be powder after we shake it today? Let you try to see like this. No matter what you do, the plastic part is not involved in the friction. It's because of our hook washer and the flat oil absorbing washer are rubbing. So it is impossible to produce a state of plastic powder, but it only happens that metal and metal will heat up. Because we are saying that the washers are rubbing against each other, normally between the washers need to be coated with grease. Then it will be more effective, because we are just talking about to show the use of these washers. So we don't have such professional grease, but this thing can clearly prove Ours washers definitely better than plastic washers. Or plastic and plastic friction will be more reliable. So using our washers, it can definitely, from hundreds or thousands to tens of thousands times. This effect can achieve all these washers, from the nut to the T-shaft to these. Our company have all these washers in the specification table.